Yeah, LeBron here, he passed away. He has all this stuff stored in here for a long time. He's been farming over in 49, farmed this little patch here, but I don't think he's used any of this equipment for a long time. Same as the pickup. I believe the pickup has been sitting inside since 85 or 86. It's a 10-row bean planter right there, boys. Internationally, got extra parts out here in the front. It's all going together. You got a cylinder on it, nothing else right there. How much, boys? What do you think on it? Some of you want to give a couple $100 for it. How would you get $200 for it? Would you get $200 for it? How would you get $200? You tell me how much. Give $100 for it. $100 here to sell. Right here, it's going out somewhere. Give $100 for it. 50, 75. I got 50. What do you $75 for? 50. What do you $75? Now 100. And what do you 100? 100 quarter. 100 quarter. What do you 125? 50. 150. 175. 175. I got 150. What do you 175? What do you 175? We got 75. Now 200. How would you get 200? I got 175. $200. What do you get 200 for you? 175, 200. What do you get 200 for? What do you get 200 out of you all down? 2 1/4. 210. Now 20. 220. 210, 20, 30. 230, 40. 240. Now 50. 250, 60. I would get 260. 250. What do you get $260 for? What do you get 260? What do you get 260 for? What do you think? 260. Yes or no? Now 70. 270. 280. 280. 270. What do you get $280 for? What do you think? 280. Now 90. 290. What do you think? Now 300. Now 3 1/4. Let's go that way then. 325. Now 50. 350. I got 3 1/4. 3 1/2. What do you get? 350. 325. $350. What do you think, Walter? 350. I got 3 1/4. 3 1/2. You all done? You're done? Sold it to you. 325. Number 114. 3 1/4. Number 114. There you go. Put her out by the pond, fellas. Right there. The old Van Buren, I think. Van Brunt or something like that. The old drill right there. Hey, the old pull type right there. Steel wheels and all. Right there. Give $100 for it. Steel wheels are worth that. Wheels are worth that. Give $100 for it. What do you give $100 for? What do you want to give $100? How much? Get 50. Get $50 for it.
25.
25, 50. I got 25, 50, 75. What do you get 75 for it? I got 50. Now 75. 50. What do you get $75? 50. What do you get $75 for it? I got 50. What do you get $75? 50. What do you get 75? 75. Now 100. What do you give 100? 100 quarter. 125. Hey, the boss is here now. Now 150. I got 100. I got 120. 135. Will help you all I can. 135 will help you all I can. I got 125, 135, 150, 135, 150. What do you want 50 for? 135, 50. What do you $150 for? And now 60, 160, 170, 170, 160, 170. You said that before. 160, 170. I got 160. What do you want? $70, 170. $160. Number 108. Hey, we got the walking plow right here. Right here on the walking plow. A little bit of tough on the handle there. The walking plow right here. You tell me. Somebody get $50 for it. Would you give a half $100 for it? A $50 on the walking plow. Give $50. How much? $30. 25. Would you get 25, 30? 25, 30 on the walking plow. 25 would you get $30 for it. I got 25, 30. Would you get $30? I got 25, you get 30 for it. $25 would you get 30. Would you get $30? 25, 30. All good. $30. You bought it, $25, number 107, 107. And you got this little piece of card right here. We're going to sell you that piece right here. Little section number right there. And how much? You get $25 for it. Would you get $25 here? Would you get 25 on that piece right here? Drag your garden, drag your driveway, whatever you want to do. 25 bucks. On the hard, right here, 25 bucks. 5, 10. What do you get $10 for? You got 5, 10, 15. 15, 20, 5, 25, I got 20, 25, 25, 30, what do you get $30, what do you get 25, what do you get 30 for it? 25, I got $30, now 5, 35, what do you get 35, 30, what do you get $35 for it? I got 30, what do you get 35, 30, what do you get 35, 30, what do you get 35? 30 bucks. Get a number, Randy. 118, 118. All right, hey, we got another walking plow back here. That might be more of a potato plow. I don't know what they call that kind. Right there. Do your potatoes on this one. Right here. Get $25 for that one. Get 25, 10. $10 for it. What do you get? 10, 15. What do you get? $15 on that plow. Right there, I get 10. What do you get? $15 on 20. $20, 25, 20, 25, 30. What do you get? 35, 30. What do you get? 35. 30, 35. I got 30. What do you get? 35 on 30. Be nice around the palm, Charlie. 30, 35. I got 30, 35. 30. What do you get? 35. You bought her 30 bucks. Number 107. 107. Hey, didn't know that these were welded together. It's back in the corner because we drug them out. So there you go. You're buying a pair of steel wheels on a piece of C channel. Right there. What do you think on this one? You tell me. Somebody what? You get $50 for it. You get a half a hundred. And then 2 wheels on the C channel. 25, 10, 20. I got 10, 20, 10, 20, 30. What do you get? 30, 40. What do you get? 40, 50. Well, I got 40. What do you get? $50 for it? 40. What do you get? 50. And 60. What do you get? $60 for it? I got 50. What do you get? $60 for it? I got 60, 70. I got 60 now. 70. What do you get? 70 for it? Only got 60, 70. 60. What do you get? $70 for it? 60. What do you get? $70. 60. What do you get? $70. $70. You bought her 60 bucks. Number 107, $60, 107. Hey, we got this cylinder right here. Don't know anything about it, but it's here. We're gonna sell her. Looks like it's John Deere right there on the cylinder. Somebody get 25 bucks for it. Get $25 for the cylinder. 20, 10. Put it in the building. Nobody wants it. 10, 15. I got 10, 15. $10, we get $15 for it. I got $10, we get the cylinders right here. Get $15 for it. I got 10, 15. 10, we get $15 for it. I got $10, we get 15. 118, I believe. 10 bucks. $10, number 118. Hey, I drug this out of there. I'm back in the corner. I don't know. Somebody give me 10 bucks for the old lawn chair. 10 bucks.
5.
5, 7.5. I got 5, 10. 5, 7.5. We get $7.50 for it. I got $5, we get $7.50. On the lawn chair, $5, I got 7.5. What do you get? $7.50 for it? I got $5, we get 7.5. You bought her 5 bucks, 103. $5, 103. Hey, just in season, some chicken wire. Keep your chickens in the Christy. Chicken wire. Right there, here you go in this roll, right here. How much? Somebody give me $5 for that chicken wire. 5 bucks. Give me $5 for it. 5 bucks, 7.5. I got 5, 7.5. We get $7.50 for it. I got $5. We get 7.5 for it. I got on the chicken wire right here. Get 7.5 for it. I got $5. We get $7.50. 5 bucks. 116. $5. Number 116. Okay, we're good there. Good here. All right, John Deere boys, right here on the John Deere planter. There you go. Dry boxes and all right here, dry fertilizer and everything right here. The old timer, pretty good shape, really. All right, there you go on the John Deere planter. You tell me how much. Somebody give me a couple hundred to start it. Let's go from there. Get $200 for it. What do you get $200 for? What do you get $200 here? What do you get? I got 100, 100 a quarter, 125. I got 100. What do you want? 25. I got 100, 100 a quarter for it. 125. I got $100. What do you want? 25 on the John Deere planter right here. $125 for it. I got $100. What do you want? 25. 125. 125. We get 100 a quarter. I got $100. What do you want? 25. Boy, everybody's quiet. Everybody's scratching their nose or nothing. 100 a quarter. You bought her. $100, number 109. What a deal. All right, here you go. Oliver, 5 bottom, right here. You got the weights on it and all right there. There's $100 worth of weights. There you go. On the 5 bottom, Oliver plow, right here. You got the cylinder on it and all right there. Somebody give me a couple hundred for it. 200. How much? It's your sale. Give me 150. 100 bucks. Give me 150. 75 on the plow. Right there, they got $50. We get $75 for it. 50 would get 75. I know nobody uses them anymore, but that's beyond the point. 75 bucks. 60. I got 50. What do you get 60? Morris, what do you think? 60 bucks. I got 50, 60. What do you get $60 for it? 50. What do you get $60 for it? I got 50. What do you get 60? Yep. 70. What do you get $70 for it? What do you think? 70, 80. What do you get 80 now? 90. What do you get 90? $80. What do you get $90 for? What do you get 90 now? 100. 110. 110. I got 100, 110. 100. What do you $110? 20, 120, 30. 130. 130, 40, 140, 150. 150. Making me work for it. I got 140, 150. 160, 170, 170, 160, 170, 160, I got 170, 160, I got 170, $170. Sold it to you, Walter, $160, number 110, number 110. Hey, over here, International, right here, another planter. All right, dry fertilizer and all, right there. Okay, fellas, right here, the old bean planter. What do you think on this one? You tell me. Somebody give one here. Somebody give $100 for it. What do you give 100 for it? What do you want to give 100 here on the bean planter? Right here, International. Give $100 for it. $100. What do you think? Give 150. It's here to sell. Half 100. $50. Give a half 100 for it. What do you get? 50. Give a half 100 for it. 50 bucks.
25.
Never thought of that. $50. We'll take that hitch pin out. Oh, there's no hitch pin in there. 25, I got 50. I got 20, 50. Now 75. 50, what do you 75? What do you think? $75 for it. I got 50, what do you 75? 100. What do you 100? 100 a quarter. 125. I got 125, 150. 150, 175. 150, what do you want? 75 for it? I got 150. See ya, Stanley. 175, I got 150. 175, anybody? $175. Sold it to him, 150 bucks. Number 110, 110. Hey, cultivator, time here. There you go. On the cultivator right here, fellas. What do you think on this one? A lot of metal on this one. Right here, you ought to give a couple hundred for this one. 200 for it. What do you get? $200 here. What do you get? Give 100 for it. 100 bucks on a cultivator. Give 100 for it. How much there? Give $100. What do you think? Give one. Give 100 for it. Give 100. How much? $75. Boy, everybody's so quiet. 50 bucks. Must be waiting on things in the barn. 50. Give a half 100 for it. I got. What do you get? 50 now. 75. 50. What do you get? 75 out of 75. 100. What do you 100? You say 100. I got 100. 100 quarter. 100 a quarter. 100 and a half. 150, 125, 150, 125, what do you $150 for? I got 125, 50. What do you 125 I got? What do you $150 for? 125, 50. Are you all done? 150? You bought it, Walter. $125, number 110.